Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if you want to perform a soft reset, all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume up button, so hold them both together. And once you feel the vibration and see the logo, you can remove your fingers from the buttons and wait a few seconds, up to 1 minute, till your phone is rebooted. Yep, so now just provide your lock screen pattern, and that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.